Welcome to DSA Progress. My name is Dinesh and I have around 13 years of experience in IT working as a senior SDET in startup. Throughout my career, DSA has been a critical part of my journey. I have been deeply inspired by educators on YouTube like Dinesh Varyanisa, Striver and Aditya Verma. So recently I've started using a TOF Plus platform which is similar to LeetCode where we can solve problems and submit code. I have started this channel just to track my DSA progress. So going forward, I'll be posting videos on the problems that I am solving on this particular platform. So on DSA, there are totally around 334 problems, starting with beginner problems which covers language basics, time complexity, basic maths, array hashing, strings and recursion, sorting, arrays, hashing, binary search, recursion, linked list, bit manipulation, greedy algorithms, sliding window, stack, queue, heap, binary tree, binary search tree, graph, dynamic programming, tries, strings, and maths. So, if you are passionate about leveling up your coding skills and navigating a career in tech, this channel might be helpful for you. Thank you.